Welcome to our kitchen. Today we prepare an ancient Roman recipe. A bonito recipe with a delicious sauce that is perfect also for other fishes. We start with the ingredients. We need a bonito, dates, a bit of honey, olive oil, white wine and vinegar, white dry wine, and the spices, white pepper, celery seeds, and lovage. And then the fresh herbs, mint, and just a bit of rue. Rue has a strong, aromatic, and slightly bitter flavor. We suggest using more mint than rue. First, we prepare the sauce. We grind in the mortar celery seeds, lovage, and white pepper. We are using mainly pepper. Lovage and celery seeds can easily overpower the sauce. The original recipe doesn't tell us what kind of pepper to use. Ancient Romans used black pepper, white pepper, and long pepper. Pliny in the 1st century wrote that the price of white pepper was almost double that of black pepper. Now we mince the fresh herbs. This step will help us to grind them more easily in the mortar. Then we mince one date. Dates were widely used as sweeteners in ancient Roman cuisine. We add the herbs and date in the mortar and pound them until we obtain a paste. This recipe is part of the cookbook conventionally attributed to Apicius. The author called this recipe Ius in cordula assa, that can be roughly translated as a sauce for roasted bonito. But the Latin verb asso identifies a wide range of cooking methods. Cordula is one of the names that ancient Romans used for different species of bonito and little tuna-like fishes. Now we add honey, white wine vinegar, white wine, and olive oil. We suggest adding these ingredients a little at a time and taste often the sauce, to reach a good balance between the sweetness of honey and date and the acidity of vinegar and wine. When the sauce is ready, we gut and clean the bonito, and then cut it into thick slices. Now we cook the bonito on a slightly oiled griddle. We prefer a quick cooking. We sear it just a minute on each side. We plate the bonito coated with the sauce. This quick and flavorful recipe is a delicious example of a fish course in an ancient Roman banquet. If you're interested in ancient foods and flavors, or you're just looking for unusual and delicious recipes, please subscribe our channel.